Hi guys, Dan Stollers here. A very good afternoon to you all. I hope you're all well at home. And again, England 6-2 win. Let's hope that does continue. We're back though with the results of Guess Dan's coins. There was 5 coins up for guessing. The first coin was indeed the Sir Roger Bannister. Next we have got the beautiful design from the outer edge of the Beatrix Potter anniversary. Again, the first of 13 Beatrix Potter designs to be released for circulation. Number 3 was definitely a difficult one indeed, and it is that of the Paddington outside St Paul's Cathedral, one of 4 different Paddington designs to be released for UK circulation. Coin number 4 is an Olympic coin, and it is the Olympic rowing. Fair play, excellence there, lettering on the front. Coin number 5 is another Beatrix Potter, and it is indeed a Peter Rabbit 50p coin, but which one is it going to be? It's that of the 2018 Peter Rabbit, the joint rarest of the Beatrix Potter set, along with the Flopsy Bunny. Now, I've been looking through the comments. Some of them, unfortunately, have been deleted by YouTube, so I'm not going to put a leaderboard up there. I'm pretty sure a lot of you did get them all correct. And again, I hope you've all enjoyed this game on the channel. I'm really not feeling well today, but I will try and get a few more videos up a little bit later on. When I start off these videos, I feel alright for the first 1 or so minutes, and then after that, I have to go and have another lie down. So I'm going to go for another nap. Fingers crossed I feel a little bit better later on, and I'd love to get a coin hunt up there. Again, thank you all so much for the support. As always, you guys are simply incredible. We're going to hit 27,000 subscribers this week. Saturday, I hope I do feel better, as it is the big 30th. Stay safe, and as always, thanks for watching.